Hey guys, what is up? Mist here with another video. Do you need a VPN? Do you know what a VPN is? In this video, I'm going to cover all the basics to why everybody needs a VPN. To all my new viewers out there, if you guys are not yet subscribed, just look below the video, click on the red subscribe button, and then click the little notification bell so you guys will get notified for all future videos for everything I post. It's gonna be great. You're gonna be first to hear about all the new APKs, add-ons, and much more. Okay, so a lot of you out there don't know what a VPN is. Basically, a VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It protects you online when using stuff like Kodi, IPTV, running on Android, watching TV, basically anything you're doing online, you're actually protecting yourself by going through a secure network. That's basically what VPN is in a gist. And also because if you're at any random coffee shop and you connect to their public Wi-Fi, anybody on that exact same Wi-Fi network can easily access your data, spoof, and see what you're seeing, but easily with the click of a button. Yes, that includes everything in all your personal files and even your ISP as well. So basically, this is what a VPN is in a nutshell. It creates a your own private little network from you and the internet. So when you access the internet, if you have a VPN, your ISPs, hackers, basically nobody can see your traffic. It's all encrypted. So you basically stay online. You are anonymous. A lot of countries right now are, you're sending you all these letters about your ISP, downloading content, torrenting, all that kind of stuff. I really recommend that you get VPN because you stay secure online. All your traffic's secure. Everything is secure. And it has a lot of other cool features. One of the really cool feature is that if you're like traveling, you actually get protection from the VPN because your IP is different and you can pass any geo restrictions. So the VPN that I recommend for everybody is Ipvanish. It is probably the #1 VPN. Right now, if you guys check the link in the description below, you guys will get a link to set up Ipvanish. It works on Windows, iOS, Apple, Amazon, and any other device at all. So if you basically go at the link below, there's a really nice plan here, which is the best value for just $6 a month, $6.49 a month, which is billed annually at $78 a year. You get all the benefits of VPN, which is Virtual Private Network. So guys, when you first install Ipvanish, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be the same thing on your on your iPhone, on your iOS device, on your Android, on your Amazon Fire TV stick. That's all going to look really similar. So basically here you have a quick connect server list, account details, settings, and information. Basically, you're probably going to work the most in quick connect and server list. Basically, this info right here, you go ahead and choose a country. Like, let's say, for example, I want to have an IP from Netherlands. I go ahead and click on connect. It's going to automatically find you the best city and the best server in Netherlands. And basically, all your traffic is going to go through the Netherlands. And you are going to get a Netherlands IP address. As you can see, the IP here at the top did change. And basically, your traffic starts going through the IP address. Let's say, for example, you want to, have the, let's say you choose the closest country to you. Like in my case, it's going to be, for example, the US. I click on connect. You might probably get a much faster connection depending on which country you choose. But again, I would go ahead and leave it as a country that's, as long as it's not yours, you'll basically get a different IP address and a different location. And you can also access geo-restricted content as well. So basically, guys, you also have a server list as well. Server list here is basically shows you all the countries available and shows you, of course, here the amount of connections on that country as well. So basically, you can sort by country, you can sort by response time, sort by load, sort by your favorite. Basically, you can also see as a map as well, so you can see basically the amount of people using the VPN at the moment. So basically, as I can see, a lot of people using this area, this area. But again, you're probably only going to need to go to quick connect and basically click on disconnect here. go ahead and choose your country and hit connect as well. And also in the settings, you can also check this box. It's going to be the same for Android as well. Start Ipvanish when Windows starts, or start Ipvanish when Android starts. The same thing for basically you know, any device you're on. You also have connections. You can choose the different protocols. So basically the OpenVPN UDP is probably the most popular, but of course if you are more techy, you can go ahead and change some stuff here, but I would not worry about these settings unless you actually have issues. You also have basically your IP settings, you have logs, you have all the logs here, and you also have basically information tab, which has the TOS and licensing, and this is your account details. And that is basically it, guys. And there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't forget to leave me down in the comment section below. Check out my two previous videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.